Hello, YouTubers out there. I'm here to talk to you about the poor man's operating system. For those that want the stability and security that other OSs like Mac provides over Windows, and is tired of the viruses, or just want something different than what comes preloaded on your machine at your local Walmart or Best Buy or wherever, I recommend Linux. Now, for the average user, let me give you a few suggestions. OpenSUSE, Ubuntu, PC Linux, Red Hat. Those are some of the top ones that I would recommend. Another one that I would recommend is Linux Mint in eLive. Now, if you use a netbook, the only Linux I have found that works seamlessly right out of the box seems to be a problem with particularly Ubuntu getting the Wi-Fi to work. But this one, PC Linux OS, is the one that actually works right out of the box with Wi-Fi. That's kind of one of the main reasons why people buy netbooks is for the internet. So if you buy a netbook and you want something different than Windows and you need something that works seamlessly just like Windows, PC Linux is your Linux. It's real easy to use. With all distros, there's a slight learning curve. Um, the Wi-Fi works right out of the box. It even automatically detects Wi-Fi hotspots, just like you would expect from Windows. If you have a bigger laptop or a desktop and you want a Linux with plenty of eye candy, Linux Mint, Ubuntu Barrel, and SUSE Linux is the best. And SUSE Linux, uh, out of all the ones that I've tried so far, it is by far the most polished of all the Linux. The makers of OpenSUSE have done an excellent job. As far back as 10 years, they were like the most polished and continue to be amongst the most polished of Linux. So, post your comments. Let me know. I just wanted to let some people know, be aware of what I consider some of the best poor man operating systems. I will update my video as I continue to try new distros, but I think Linux is going to grow very big, especially if people's wallets start getting tighter. They ain't going to be able to buy a new machine. And may I add, for all you folks concerned about the environment, Linux is also the greenest OS because it runs excellent on both new computers and old machines. Old machines, a distro of Linux will breathe new life to an old machine and prevent it from going into landfill stuff. Ciao.